Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you my new makeup train case, and I'm also going to share my thoughts and reviews about this product as well. So I've been waiting for this, and today it finally came, and here it is. And look at the details. I love the small dot patterns, and they also put the brand name, which it says Franessa. It has like 2 latches and a handle. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this to show you guys the inside. Okay, inside it looks like this. There are like 2 sections. Okay, when you open it, it looks like this. There are like 3 compartments. On the bottom part, there is like a much bigger space where you can put your palettes, foundations, bigger stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna fit as much makeup in here real quick just to show you guys how much makeup it holds. Okay, so I'll be right back. I just finished putting stuff inside, so let me show you the inside. Okay, so this is how I decided to organize it. I put my lipstick on this first compartment. This is lipstick, and this is highlighter or illuminator. This is for my eyebrow, mascara, like some face serum because I love putting face serum before I put my makeup. This is eye cream, tweezer for when I put my false eyelashes. And on the second compartment, this is where I put all of my eye stuff like eyeliner, mascara, eye primer, like liquid eyeliner, eyeliner glue. This is also for eyes. This is shimmery liquid eyeshadow. And on the third compartment, this is where I put the foundation, like concealer, foundation. This is also a eye cream. This is my concealer, my contour cream. I also include some of my basic brushes that I use every day. And on the bottom part, I'm able to fit this mascara, my bronzer, and I also use this for my contouring, and primer, foundation, and face serum, finish setting powder, loose powder, mineral foundation, and some of my favorite eye palette. So you guys, I am very surprised of how much stuff I'm able to fit in here. I love it. It's very neat, it's very organized, and this is perfect for when I do my makeup tutorial because it's gonna be easy for me to grab like everything I need. And this is also perfect for all those makeup artists out there because you can put like so much stuff in here, and this is like a grab and go. And I also love that they include this strap, so it's gonna be easier for you to carry it and lock and key so no one can mess with your makeup. Perfect for traveling. This is so nice, very pretty, durable, and I am very impressed. I love it. Okay, so there you have it guys. I hope you like this video, one of these, and yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and I'll see you again in my next video. Stay home and stay safe.